Hi, in this video I want to show you how easy it is to add a page to one of our Webmaster CMS websites. Actually, let me just explain. This is one of our demo dental websites, and up here you can see we have some pages already here. About Us page, a dental checkup page, We Love Children page. We're going to go ahead and add another page, and to do that we just simply scroll down to the bottom. On all of our websites we'll have an admin login link, and you just simply click on the admin login link, and that will bring up the WordPress login page, and you simply type in your username and password. And for all new websites we give you the username admin and the password pass, P-A-S-S. Of course you'll want to change that password, and we'll show you that on another tutorial, but right now I'm just going to go ahead and log in. And that takes me to the dashboard for this particular website. And in the dashboard you can see we have many options here. Right now we're going to just concentrate on adding a new page, so we'll go down here to where it says Add New under Pages, and we'll click on Add New. And that brings us to our Add New page. And we'll type in, first thing you want to do is type in a title for that page. This isn't actually the title of the article, but it's the title of the whole page, and it's what the search engines will see. So we're going to call this page Testimonials. Okay, and then you can see down here we have basically what looks similar to a word processor, and we're going to edit in this page. Now you could expand. There's a link over here where you can expand and make the page larger, but for right now we're just going to use the box here below. And the first thing I want to do here is make a subtitle, an actual title of the article that people are going to see when they go to that page, and we'll call this Testimonials from the Doctor's Office. And now I want to center this page, so I go over here and click on the Center tab, and you can see that moves it over. And I also would like to make this heading a little bit bigger, so actually I'll call it the main heading, since it's the main heading of the page. And to do that I simply click over here where it says Paragraph, click on the tab down, and I'll select Heading 1, and that will give me a larger heading over there. And now I want to go ahead and add some testimonials, or at least one testimonial. And since this is testimonials, I'm actually going to use the quotation blocks, because that gives us a nice little feature on these pages, and you'll see that later. That moves the cursor over, and I can actually add the content. Now I copied some content. This is where you would type in your testimonial here, but since I already copied some content, I'm just going to cut and paste it. And you can see that just added the content in there. And now if I wanted, I could just go ahead and publish this. It's that simple. You just click on Publish, and your page gets published to your website. And if you want to check on that, you can just go up here and click on View Page, and that brings you to your testimonial page. And you can see our new title here, Testimonials. I should have made that plural, from the doctor's office, and then it has a testimonial here. You can see the testimonial link is right up here on top. Now maybe you don't want you want to add a page, but you don't want it to take up a space up on the top. There's also links here on the side, so you have the option, and I'm going to show you that right now. You have the option of, you can see testimonials also here on the side. I actually have it twice because I think I made a page earlier, but you can see testimonials is over here on the side as well. Now you may not want it to show up on the top navigation menu bar, and you may only want it to show up on the sidebar, and I'll show you how to do that. I'll also show you how to add a photo. Let's put a picture of someone who actually gave this testimony. Okay, so to do that we'll just go back to the admin page. Now that we're at the admin page, the first thing we'll do is add a picture. Okay, so to do that you just simply put where you're going to want to put the picture. So I'm going to put it right in front of this testimonial, so I clicked right there in front of the T, and then I go up here where it says upload or insert, and this is for add. You can see as I put my cursor on there, it says add an image, and so we click on that because that's what we want to do, add an image. And then the add media files box comes up, so we click on select files. We can actually bring in a file from your computer. We'll start off with this image right here, and then that brings up the image of Frank Lucci. Now it gives us the option to put it left, center, right. We can take the full size of an image. I want to just use a thumbnail of it, and I wanted to put it on the left side of the testimonial. And then you just click and insert into post, and it gets inserted right into your post. Now all we have to do is click on update page, and now we'll have a picture in there. But before we do that, I want to show you a couple of other things that you can, cool little features that I put on all of our websites. and one is the exclude page. Now, as I showed you, there's a top navigational bar, and then there's a navigational menu on the side as well, on the sidebar. So if you don't want the top navigational bar to pop up because there's only so much limited space there, then you can exclude it by clicking on this link. It says in here exclude pages, and then over here it says include this page in your user menu, and by checking this box it'll show up on the top. If I uncheck it, it doesn't show up on the top. Now you also have here main page. You could actually put this as a sub page of a page. So if your main page, if it says no parent, then it's going to become one of the top pages. But let's say that we wanted it to become a sub page of a page, then we could click, let's say we wanted it to be under About Us, then we could click About Us up here, and now it's not going to be directly on the top menu. You have to click on About Us, and you'll see it as a sub page. And you can also select the order of the page that you want. So if you have 10 different pages and you want it to show up as the last page, you could type in 11 here, and it'll show up. There's a lot more that you can do with it than that, but that's basically the gist of it. It's very simple to edit these. If you can use a word processor, you can learn how to edit your own website. So that's basically it. We're going to click Update Page here, and then I'll just take you so you can view the page that we just edited. And there you have it. You can see your new testimonial page, testimonials from the doctor's office, a picture of the patient who actually gave a testimonial. And now we took out the link. You don't see the testimonial link because I didn't check that page, so you can see it's not up here on the top, but it is over here on the side, so it didn't go away anywhere. But you can see it's very easy to create your own pages, add content, add pictures. You can even add video if you are so inclined to do so. It's a little different than what we did so far, but it's definitely doable. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can see how easy it is to edit our sites, and that'll help you in deciding to get one of our sites. Thank you very much. Goodbye.